So, you know, people think all these companies are the same. You don't know what's going on underneath your house. It's amazing what we see. There are a lot of foundation companies. We're a structural engineering contractor, okay? We have to abide by engineered principles, okay? So you get a cheap bid, guess what? This is what you're gonna get. We have a pier. It looks beautiful with its footing. But underneath, all they've done is covered the soil like frosting to make it look good. So we dig it out, and my hand is underneath this concrete pier, which is supposed to be supporting this new girder all the way across. There's no support, zero. So
it's floating in the air, huh?
It's floating in the air. It's an amazing thing, the lack of integrity that's out there.
Yeah.
So we see this all the time.